guys, welcome back to another video. And if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. If you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Alright, so as y'all can see, I did one eye off camera. We're using the JUVIAS Place Culture palette, and these are the colors. So I'm taking the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer, and I'm just using this as my eyeshadow base, and this is just for me to get the colors to pop a little bit more. And you want to just take your time blending this out because this does dry pretty fast. So first I'm going to take this green shade. It's a dark green shade. It's called Ndebele. I don't know how to pronounce that, but it'll be on the screen or in the description box. And you just want to use this as your first shade. Now the second shade I'm using, the lighter green, is Taraba. And I'm just using this to blend out the edges of the darker green. Yeah, so you just want to keep blending these two colors together. That way it can be more seamless and they can transition into each other. So I'm taking a makeup wipe and the end of a brush, and I just use this to kind of wipe off the concealer. That way I can have a clean base when I do the the cut crease. Now you want to take that same concealer and just cut the crease area or your eyelid area where you want to place that that eyelid color. So you just put this all over and make sure you pat it out. That way it can dry, because you don't want it to transfer to your brush that you use to put the eyeshadow color on. And now you just want to blend it out and get any of the excess to dry, and just tap it out. That way you can get it to dry. Now I'm taking this pink shade, and it's called Benin, and you just want to pack this color onto your eyelid. Now I'm also going to take the darker green and mix a type of wing, but not connected to the eyelid, if you get what I'm saying. Like, I'm just dragging it out the outer corner. As you can see, I'm using the makeup wipe to define the liner or wing, if you want to call it, just to define it and make it more crisp. Now go in with that lighter green shade and just blend it a little bit. Now, I don't know what happened to the clips of me applying all my face makeup, but y'all should already know my usual makeup routine. So I'm just dusting off the setting powder in the areas that I set. I'm using the Infallible 24-hour face powder in 330 hazelnut or coconut, one of those. And like usual, everything will be in the description box. Everything that I used will be listed in the description box, so make sure that you guys check the description box so you can see and get the products that I'm using. And yeah, so I'll come back once I do my lips. I'm going to put a inner corner color on my inner corner. And I'm just going to use, I don't know. It's hard to choose because they're all pretty. Like, not flicking y'all off. I'm trying to show y'all. Come on. Really? Okay, this is the green one. I don't know if y'all can see that, but this is one of the pink ones. This is the pink color. This looked like the fucking green that I was about to put on. Okay, and now I'm gonna go in with the green one because this is what the pink looks like. Okay, so I'm lining my lips with the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner, and this is in the shade Downtown Beauty. And taking the concealer, I'm just going to put a little in this on my lip or the center of my lip and just blend it out. And then that'll be the finished look of this makeup. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed it, make sure you leave a comment down below, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.